Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Mr. Coffee coffee maker and you're getting an EC2 error code on it and you're wondering what is this error and what can you do to get rid of it. First of all, the EC2 error, one of the things that you can do to get rid of it is just to start by resetting it. So you'll see, and depending on the exact model, the buttons will be in different places, but you'll see there's a brew later button and a brew button. So if you push and hold those two buttons at the same time, that will reset the coffee maker and will clear out the error. So the error might come back, or the error might even change to a different error. And what you need to try to do at that point is to, if you can get it to run, to actually work, is to run vinegar through it. So you want to pour vinegar in the reservoir and start the coffee maker, get it to brew, so that it can run it through and clear it out and descale the coffee maker. And if you descale the coffee maker, it'll get rid of a lot of these errors. And then you want to, obviously you don't want to drink vinegary coffee, so you're going to flush it out with water after that before you actually brew coffee and drink it. And then you can reset it again using the brew later and brew button. Anyways, I hope doing this gets rid of the error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.